Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change the border of table cells in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open an Affinity Publisher document. Now we want to change the border of table cells. Firstly, insert a table, go to a page, then select the table tools. Otherwise, press T on our keyboard and draw a table to these pages. Then select the table cells, click and drag on our mouse and enable the tables option, and we can see here the borders stroke. Now I select the stroke and increase the stroke. You can change the color. Select this color drop down menu and apply another color. Then close the window and check the table border. We can see we change the table cells very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.